Hello students, welcome to our today's lesson. Today we are going to discuss about the inscribing and outscribing of circles, inside and outscribing of circles, which is outside the edges of or the apexes of a triangle. So we are going to discuss about inscribing and outscribing. Inscribing and outscribing of circles inside and inscribing a circle inside the triangle and outscribing a circle outside the apexes of a triangle. So what is inscribing and what is outscribing generally? Inscribing, it is a case whereby inscribing is a case whereby, so for instance, if you have drawn a triangle like this, triangle A, B, and C, if you've been told to inscribe, simply you are being told to draw a circle inside this particular triangle. And you should note this: when you've been told to inscribe, your circle should touch these signs of the triangle. So these are the signs. We have this side, this side, this side. So let's inscribe. So that is now inscribing, simply because our circle has passed inside our triangle and it has touched the signs of that particular triangle. What if you have been told to outscribe, or what is in outscribing? Outscribing simply is, we call it outscribing or circumscribing. We call it outscribing or circumscribing. What is circumscribing? Let me show you. If you have drawn a triangle like this, if you have drawn a triangle like that, for example, we have A, we have B, these are C. If you've been told to circumscribe, it means that your circle now should pass outside the triangle. Now, like this, touching the apexes. That is what we call circumscribing or outscribing. So, first of all, to perform the two, inscribing and outscribing, first of all, you have to draw a triangle. Then, now, if you've been told to inscribe, then draw the circle inside that particular triangle. Let's take an example. Let's begin with inscribing. Let's begin with inscribing. Let's now begin with the inscribing. Now, for instance, let's assume you have been given a question. Construct a triangle ABD such that AB is 70 millimeters, BD is 65 millimeters, and AD is 45 millimeters. Inscribe a circle in the triangle. What have you been taught? You've been taught to construct the triangle, then after that you inscribe a circle in the triangle. So let's begin. So first of all, assuming that this is the table you are using, assuming that this is now the edge of your, like this is the edge of assuming that the edge of your table is this one. So your T-square should be able to slide like this. So what you need to do is you slide it like that. You draw a line like that. And for instance, we have been told to construct a triangle ABD in which AB is 70 millimeters. So you will take up your compass like this. Then you now take the measurements in your ruler, and I said that your ruler is calibrated in centimeters, and 1 centimeter is equivalent to 10 millimeters. So you have to convert. So for instance, let's say it is 70 millimeters. Will give you what from your ruler? So it will be 1 times 70 all over 10. So this is 7 centimeters. So you will measure 7 centimeters from your ruler, because you have been told AB is 70 millimeters, and you know that your ruler is calibrated in centimeters. So you have to convert these measurements, which are in millimeters, now into centimeters. So now this one is 7 centimeters after you have converted into centimeters. To convert back to millimeters, you just multiply by 10. So 7 centimeters multiplied by 10, now you will get your 70 millimeters. So you will now measure 70 millimeters, 7 centimeters from your ruler, which is equivalent to 70 millimeters. So now, assuming this is your 70 millimeters, now you will stand at any given point of your line. Let me extend my line a bit. I've extended my line. So the 70 millimeters, I will stand at any point of the line. Put a mark. Again stand here. Put another mark. I have been told AB is 70 millimeters. So this is my A. We have B. So this is 70 millimeters. Again, I've been told BD is 65 millimeters. BD is 65 millimeters. So where is my B and where is my D? And for instance, your D is somewhere here. Your D is somewhere here. Exactly, you don't know where it is located. So what do you need to do? Now that you've been told your BD is 70 millimeters and the D is not located here, so you will stand at B here. Now measure the 70 millimeters, the 65 millimeters. So starting at B now, I will stand here. I will make an arc. Again, I've been told AB is 45 millimeters. So what do I need to do? I will stand at A, because AD is 45. So wherever D is and wherever A is, the distance between D and A should be 45 millimeters. So I will stand at A and measure my 45 millimeters. That is the 45. Let me extend this one. where those two arcs meet, now I need to use my ruler and join to form a triangle. So this is my point C. So I will take up my ruler like this. Like that. Again. So now this is my triangle. We have these arcs. That is now my triangle. So now let me go back to my question. This is BD. This is 65 millimeters. I have ND, which is 45 millimeters. Now I need to inscribe a circle inside this triangle. So